meteorologist Phil Ferro is here now, meanwhile, with the latest on that storm. Phil.
Well, we have a lot to cover. We're going to begin with the basics. Let's take a look at Hurricane Milton. It is a monster getting stronger as we speak. You can see the eye, or the center of circulation, already the outer bands impacting parts of the Yucatan Peninsula. Earlier this afternoon, the winds were at 175 miles per hour. It is now up to 180 miles per hour. The next advisory will come in at 8 p.m. It is now being tracked out of Tampa, less than 700 miles away. So what are we looking at? Well, there's an area of low pressure to the west there of Florida. That is helping to bring our present rain. There's also a front attached to it. A stronger front is to the north. Both of those fronts will start to drag Milton towards Florida, and it could weaken a bit before making landfall across the west coast. Maybe the winds down to a major Category 3 system with 125 miles per hour. Now here's the close-up cone. It could be making landfall here anywhere between Fort Myers and Cedar Key, still a major system. But what does the cone actually show us? Well, it tells us that inside of that red area, that's where we can find the center or the eye. Now, if the storm tracks on the southern end of that cone, well, there will be some impacts for us here in the form of some gusty winds and more rain. Now, if the system tracks a little further to the north on the western side of the cone, well, then less of the impacts here across our area. So here are the advisories in place. Obviously, a hurricane warning for parts of the Yucatan, and now brand new for us, Broward and Miami-Dade under a tropical storm watch. That means that tropical storm force winds of 39 miles per hour or above will be possible over the next 48 hours. That also includes the Keys. Now there's a tropical storm warning for southwest Florida, and as you head up north